Hello and welcome to Azurewala YouTube channel. We are in Azure Solutions Architect Expert series. Today we are going to discuss question number 20. You have an Azure App Service web application that uses system assigned managed identity. You need to recommend a solution to store the settings of web app as secrets in Azure Key Vault. The solution must meet following requirements. It should minimize the changes to application code and use the principle of least privileges. What should you include in the recommendation? The Key Vault integration method. We should use application settings of Azure App Service web application. So we'll store our connection reference to our Key Vault in this file. So that will not require any change in our code. And Key Vault permissions for the managed identity will require the permission to the managed identity of our Azure application service on the Azure Key Vault as secret get method. So we will be able to read the secrets from Azure Key Vault. So if we have application and we have Key Vault, to read from the Key Vault will require to provide the role-based access control on Azure Key Vault to the managed identity of web application. So that managed identity will have a role assigned which will have get permission to the secrets in the Key Vault, and will update the application settings with the key value pair, where we'll put the connection string key and the value means the location of our vault in this value. So we can call this in our code. Therefore, the correct answer is Key Vault reference in application settings and get permission on the secrets in the Key Vault. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.